QG-104 Performance Qualification Record. The performance qualification record documents what occurred during the production of a test coupon by a person using one or more joining processes following an organization's procedure specification. As a minimum, the record shall document the essential variables for each process used to produce the test coupon, the ranges of variables qualified, and the results of the required testing and/or non-destructive examinations. The organization shall certify a performance qualification record by a signature or other means as described in the organization's quality control system and shall make the performance qualification record accessible to the authorized inspector.